Here's a preview to what we're going to be making. Make sure you like and subscribe for more content. Here are the ingredients. I'll add the recipe in the comments below. First, we grind up some graham crackers. You can do this any way you want. We're blending it. Take your ground graham crackers and add melted butter to it. Mix and you've got your pie crust. Take a pie tin or any pan. We used a spring-form pan. And pack down your graham cracker crust. Now to make the filling. Cut, juice, and zest your limes. In a bowl, add your cream cheese, powdered sugar, vanilla, lime juice, and lime zest. Then mix with a hand mixer. You know you're done when it is silky smooth. Now whip some heavy whipping cream. Mix with a hand mixer until it is light and fluffy. Now add this into your key lime filling. Once it is incorporated, pour your mixture into your pan with your graham cracker crust. Smooth it out and then pop it into your fridge to chill for at least 5 to 6 hours. All done. We topped ours off with some whipped cream and a lime. So delicious. Enjoy. Stay tuned for the next easy tutorial.